Pull the super over.
Yeah,
and then we'll put the frame fume board back up. You got it.
You got it.
There's a few. Okay. You could just hit it hard on the ground and see if they fall out.
And there's a handful just on this strand. And there's maybe a dozen.
Okay. Then
you want to take them all
I
out?
think it's better. I mean that's my inclination.
Okay. Can I put it right here?
And I'm gonna put the fume board
back
or do you want to throw that back on?
Yep.
So since we've got this off, we can both probably work on it at the same time.
Perfect.
Here we go.
And you brush up the cone.
I didn't make any decisions on that. I just
I guess how much is even in here?
Right. We can make some of those decisions at barbs.
Okay.
A little bit, but because if it's not capped, it's what's considered light honey, and we'll want to keep it separate.
Okay.
From the capped honey.
How we doing, babe?
Doing good. I'm still filming. No bee attack yet.
Over here to put a way down.
Yeah. Yeah, I read in your bee book for dummies that you brush up because of the direction of the
angle of the comb?
angle of the comb. Yep. That one comes empty. Oh, actually, it looks, I don't know. Some of these look pretty good.
Yeah, they're not capped though, so they're
Some of them are.
Yeah. So we might just want to run those a little bit separately from now.
Okay.
You could also this one on it.
Yep, you got it. One more.
Don't drink the honey. Oh, these are yellow jackets or wasps.
Okay. Throw her in.
Good. That's one.
So, shall we?
Carrot?
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually relatively heavy. Yeah, so doing it one at a time.
Got it.
Good.
I'll strip.
And you might want to throw another blanket or two on top of it just to keep the smell down.
Gotcha.
Because the bees will
smell it.
Yes.
Okay, sweet. How's the video, guys?
Yep.
Because I feel like there's definitely wasps around my hive, but I haven't noticed the same
activity.
Look
at them.
Yeah.
They're trying to get him. There's one. See him?
Yeah.
They're attacking him. 2 on 1.
Guard
3 on 1.
Doing their job.
4. Killing you.
You're into your second super, and it felt light when you set it down.
Right.
Popping frames.
This is empty.
Wow. They just struck. I didn't like it, this one. I mean, there's no reason, no rhyme or reason why they wouldn't, like it was fine and hospitable.
There's a little tiny bit.
I'd leave it. I'd let them clean it up and have it.
Empty, huh?
Yeah. Wowza.
Pack it back up.
Sure. If you want to try to pull anything from the hive bodies, put the fume board back on.
Okay. Well, with what we've got out of here, I'm thinking we may want to.
Okay. And it also depends on if you're going to try to overwinter your bees. You may want to leave them with that honey.
Because that doesn't feel super full. My other thing is, I don't know how many bees are left in here.
Yeah. And I'm starting to wonder if it's a weak hive, considering what the wasps are able to do. Like if they are
stealing it.
Yeah, because maybe the hive itself isn't strong enough to defend itself.
Or maybe you got too wide of an opening on the front.
Again.
I mean, my opening at the bottom is that wide.
Okay.
Because I think that's like a peak. That's a summer.
Right.
With, you know, like all.
And that's why I opened it, to give them more room to.
Yep. Which I think is great. But maybe for some reason they're just weak, or they didn't thrive this year, or something. Because like this is, you know, full of nectar, but
Right.
it's not capped, so it's just not possible to guess. But Barb has a cool little refractometer, so we can do a moisture reading on it and see, is it 20% moisture, or 18% moisture, or 25%? Like honey needs to be 17 or less.
Right.
But yeah, there's nectar in a bunch of these. You can bring them along and see what's what if you want. So should we carry this one over and then think about those hive bodies? Because if your hive is weak, you may not, overwintering might not be an option. So it might be like, well, is there capped honey in there? Because if the hive itself is pretty weak going into winter, its chances of survival aren't great.
Dead. Yeah.
And so then to harvest that honey could be
Option.
salvaging the situation.
Yeah, I so wanted to save my bees, but
Yeah. Well, but maybe if they
we'll
are
take
a weak
look
hive,
and see what you think
yeah,
when we look at them, right?
yeah.
It's capped, and I guess would you spin this to get the stuff out and then uncap and spin again?
I'd uncap it. I think all your honey is going to be light, so I'd
Okay.
just put it all together. Because the
Okay.
capped honey will drive down the moisture potential, and you might just need to like evaporate it all out. But I think your harvest will be small enough that it'll be a manageable quantity.
So my question is,
Yeah.
are we going to take some of these frames?
I would say it is 100% up to you.
Do you think?
But if I was
I
you,
don't see a lot of bees.
If I was you, I'd harvest everything and say goodbye to it.
I hate to say that, but they don't seem strong.
I would say that they don't seem strong. So, I'd say,
Do you want to brush?
yeah.
No.
Well,
This one's pretty good.
okay. And I think what I would do myself is I would give it a
Bang.
good whack, yeah. So they're not right on the bottom. Brush. You said brush up?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
And the cameraman takes a step back.
Yeah. The cameraman's on the ball. Good choice. Alright.
Oh my gosh. It looks like better than most.
Yeah, I think it is best yet, as a matter of fact.
You got 4 on my side.
Okay. We'll get those.
They're moving. Good deal.
Come on.
There we go.
There we are.
Yeah, these actually are looking a lot better.
Okay.
This looks pretty cool.
I respect your barehanded beekeeping. I am not there. I know lots of people do it, but I just am not.
This actually
One of
may be a
them.
good
Actually,
one to take.
Oh,
there's
got
the
brood on
brood.
it. So actually, flip it over. I just want to see the way these bees are looking. See if there's a queen in this mass right here. Just because it's such a such a cluster right there. I don't know, but I guess they're just all super busy around here. And you could have a queen, and she just might not be that good at her job. Does that happen? Just putting this on here in the attempt to sort of contain the madness.
Do we want to open the bottom box and see what's going on in there?
I feel like at this point, heck yeah.
Right.
But if you do feel like you want that brood to hatch out, you might want to make sure that it gets into, like in this one. Yep. That it just gets in a place where they'll be able to care for it and keep it warm. So like next to another frame and all that.
Okay. Is it gonna come off?
Yep.
Oh, now we're gonna kill a bunch of bees.
Yeah, they're not gonna be super happy about this part.
Yeah.
Do you wanna brush it?
Yeah, brush them.
Right.
As the cameraman steps back.
This is crazy town.
okay. I'm just going to back up for a minute.
And I'm going to try to do this to chill him out a bit. Give him something to get excited about that's not us. Yeah, go to the place with the sugar. Move toward the sugar water, baby. Move toward the sugar water. And again, it could be queen in here.
Oh, I guess I wasn't thinking I should watch for her. And
I totally have a friend who doesn't check his hives very often. Throughout the course of the summer, he's like, what am I going to do? Crush the queen.
Yeah,
so
right?
He's hardly ever. I mean, that's beautiful.
That's probably smart.
Get that one in the video. Oh, yeah. Actually, we could lift that up and try to knock him. Oh, that was nice.
Yeah.
That was more effective than I would have guessed.
Do you want to brush it at all, or? Sure. Pretty good.
Ooh. You just keep coming back for more. All right. Then I might just set this kind of in front of the hive so that it can bring them close to their return destination. Just close up shop again.